guys, welcome back to the channel. Finally, the video I was waiting to do for a long time. I did some work on my McLaren 720S, installed new downpipes, a stage 2 tune that took it to crazy horsepower and torque. All the work was done by my friend Titus from Titus Designs, and he installed downpipes from MTC Motorsport in the UK and the tune from my friends at Euromerge. I'm gonna put all their information down below. You're gonna see the video now of all the build, and you're gonna hear the before and after the installation of the downpipe. So that's gonna be interesting. But before we proceed, let's thank our sponsor, Rolls-Royce Motor Cars of Raleigh.
Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Raleigh provides the Carolinas with a pristine collection of Rolls-Royce models and unforgettable service. From viewing to paperwork and financing, their exceptional team of professionals streamlines the experience for you so that every moment here is a world-class encounter. Their friendly personnel are experts in what they do and are happy to help. If you're in the Raleigh area, visit their showroom today and find a product that defines you. If you're not located in the Raleigh area or prefer to work with them virtually, they offer a variety of remote services, including white glove delivery. They'll help you find the Rolls-Royce or other luxury car and leave you with a smile.
All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with my good friend Titus. How you doing, Titus?
Hello again.
Yeah, the builder extraordinaire. He's gonna work on my McLaren. Finally, the job that we've been waiting for. What are we doing with the car?
Downpipes, 200 cell cats, and no flames.
No flames.
No flames.
Yeah, cool tune. We'll see how much horsepower we'll get, but no flames, no shenanigans.
Better
right?
noise, more power. That's
Better noise, more power. That's gonna be cool. So stick around. This is gonna be fun.
Stay tuned for quarter panel removal. Irvin, we are doing disassembly now.
there's one thing I wanted to show you is that the trim pieces are right here, the carbon pieces on top. That's that one. That's that one. Those things are not original. And then I saw the very back. Where is it? Right back there. That tab has been broken before. Just saying. Maybe from previous downpipe replacement. And then the ones on the other side look different.
I gotta light up one.
This is what they're supposed to look like. They actually have felt tape on them normally. There's another one. There's not supposed to be one there because of the one-piece carbon. And in the back, that one has adhesive on it. Right there. Just pointing that out ahead of time.
Alright guys, here we are, just visiting the 720, work in progress. Look at what Titus has done. He has destroyed my baby. Just kidding. Wow, look at how a McLaren 720 looks without the clamshell. All the exposed mechanisms here. The downpipes are in. I don't know if you can see them down there, but they were a great fit. I want to give a shout out to MTC Motorsport in the UK that provided me with the downpipes. Great job. This is gonna sound amazing when we put all of this back. And yeah, there's some correction that needs to be done in the panel gaps, and Titus is gonna take care of that. Probably something that is from factory. These cars are handmade in the UK, and they're famous for having some panel gaps sometimes, and that's gonna be resolved. I want to show you also here some overspray that Titus discovered in some of the panels. I mean, if you look at this green paint, so that's McLaren to you, right? We put up with that because they're so exciting cars that we don't care about some of these peccadillos, but hey, just documenting so everyone knows what under the surface. So very excited. The ECU is coming in probably tomorrow, and then we will get this car most likely to 120 horsepower with the downpipes. It's gonna sound great. It's gonna be faster than it needs to be, but yeah, it's gonna be fun. Probably 2 days away from picking up the car and doing some testing for you guys. So yeah, let's keep going.